Congratulations, you have made it to the final video of this course. Now, before I talk about anything else, I would like you to capture this moment and be proud of this achievement. Now, if you want, you can make a video recording of your Figma plugin that you have just made and share it on social media, letting your friends know about this newly super amazing skill that you have just acquired. And of course, if you want, you can tag me as well and share the link to this course to help them also learn the same skill. Now that you have done that, let's talk about the very last step in this journey before we part our ways. I'm sure you must be bursting with the energy to go ahead and work on the plugin idea that you must have shortlisted in the seventh video, which was all about ideating your Figma plugin idea. And I do highly encourage you to work on that plugin idea, but only after watching this video, which is all about publishing a Figma plugin to the Figma community. Now, publishing your Figma plugin is as important as writing a plugin from scratch. Now that you have spent enormous amount of time in solving a problem for yourself or your team, now is the right time for you to share your ideas with the Figma community to help others also solve the same problem with the plugin that you have built. So let's go ahead and learn about how we can make our plugin live and make it available for everyone to install. Alright, so before we go ahead and start the publishing process right directly in Figma application itself, I would want you to spend some time in reading this plugin review guidelines, which tells you about all the things that you need to keep in mind before you submit the plugin, like all the crashes and bugs and all the description and images that needs to be accurate, and what is it that you can expect after you publish the plugin. And also, if you scroll down over here, you will find some really good points regarding the safety, business, usability, and also the legal things that you need to keep in mind before publishing your plugin. So give this a read before you follow all my steps. Maybe pause the video for 5 minutes and read this through. And once you have done that, you can continue watching this video. All right. So now, without wasting any time, let's go and publish our plugin. To do that, what we need to do is we need to come to this home tab and from here select our profile. And in this profile section, you can see this option for plugins. Once you click on plugins, you will see all your installed plugins, and at the bottom you will have this section which is called in development. Over here you can find a plugin which you had just developed. So I have renamed our plugin from Skelify to Lazy Load because I want to call this as a lazy load while I'm publishing it. So you can do that same by going to your project folder and replacing everything which has Skelify to Lazy Load. And now to go and publish this, what I need to do is I need to click on this 3 dots over here. Once I click on these 3 dots, I can see that there is an option for me to select on publish new release. When I click on this opens a modal for me to configure all the details related to my plugin. As you can see over here, I have the option to upload my icon and also to write the name of the plugin. And here I can write the description with some extra details like defining a heading or some bullet points. Then I have the option to upload the cover art as well, which needs to be 1920 by 960. And also I can define some of the tags for my plugin so that whenever someone is searching for my plugin, it's easier for them to find my plugin. And here I can enter my support contact email ID. So if anyone wants to reach out to me in case of any bugs, they can do that. And in terms of creators, if you have collaborated with someone, you can enter their name, but otherwise you can have it as your name itself. And this plugin ID is something which is auto generated, so you can ignore that for now. And here you can see there's an option where you want to allow or don't allow for the community members to add their comments. So I am going to allow them for now, and I'm going to publish this to community. And as you can see, as soon as the plugin is published, it will be reviewed by the Figma team, and once approved, then only it will be available to all the Figma users. So let's go ahead and upload all the icons and cover art that we have created. So what you can also do is you can create a file like this where you can create a logo for your plugin which could be in 128 cross 128, and you can also create a cover art which can be from 1920 cross 960. And now what you can do is you can export them in your local directory. Once you have exported them properly, you can import them from here. So I have already exported them and I'm going to select them over here. So I'm going to upload plugin icon as well as the cover art. So now, as you can see, all our details related to the plugin has been configured, starting from icon, name, description, and the cover art, and the tags, support contact, creators, and even the comment section. So now we can go ahead and publish this plugin. So let's go and click on this blue button, which is called publish. And as you can see, when I click on it, it starts to load. And yes, this is the success message which you get after publishing your plugin, which says that your plugin has been submitted for the review, and they're saying that it might take 5 to 10 business days for them to approve the plugin. And there are some guidelines as well which you can go and visit regarding the plugin approval. And also they have shared a link to the plugin which we can share once it is approved in the community. So yeah, this is how you go about publishing your plugin online on Figma community and share it with others who are using the Figma application. So that was it for this video, and thanks for watching.